Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about fractions as tenths and hundredths. So fractions with a denominator of 10 or 100. So let's start off with the fraction 6 tenths, 6 over 10. And we're going to change this fraction to have a denominator of 100. But if we change the denominator, the bottom number, we must also change the numerator. So in order to make our denominator 100, we had to multiply 10 by 10. We will do the same thing with our numerator and do 6 times 10. And we'll end up with 60 over 100 or 60 hundredths. Let's try another one. 3 tenths. I will multiply the denominator by 10 to make my denominator 100, but I will also multiply the numerator by 10. If I do this, I end up with 30 over 100. Now let's use the skill to add fractions. So I have 2 tenths plus 75 hundredths. Now when adding and subtracting fractions, the denominator must be the same. So we're going to change 2 tenths to have a denominator of 100. I bring down 75 100 since I'm not going to change that. Again, I'm going to multiply the denominator by 10 in order to get to 100. I must do the same thing with my numerator, 2 times 10. So I end up with 20 over 100. So I'm going to add 20 hundredths plus 75 hundredths and end up with 95 hundredths. Let's do a subtraction problem now. 82 hundredths minus 6 tenths. I'm going to bring 82 hundredths down since I'm not going to change that. I change my denominator by multiplying by 10 to get to 100. I must do the same thing with my numerator, 6 times 10. That gives me my new fraction of 60 over 100. Now I'm ready to subtract. 82 hundredths minus 60 hundredths equals 22 hundredths.